Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to Harvard University student portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome on your device, and then in the search bar you must type in Harvard University portal. That is Harvard University login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying sign in Harvard University. Here you must tap on authorize with HarvardKey. You must enter your username, hit next, and then use your HarvardKey. If you have not got your HarvardKey yet, tap on getting started with HarvardKey, to which you can read on how to claim your HarvardKey, and then tap on claim your HarvardKey, and then tap on key.harvard.edu. Here, tap on claim your HarvardKey, to which hit continue, and then enter your Harvard University ID, which should be provided to you by your university, your last name, your date of birth, and then hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions to claim your HarvardKey, after which you'll be able to sign into your account by heading over to the login page. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.